Take a ride in the 2016 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, air conditioning, front-wheel drive, driver airbag, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, fog lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.